So macam mana nak ukur arus di resistor tu?
Okay, sekarang you nak measure current.
Ya.
Okay, measure current, you start with spec current berapa paling tinggi? Okay, kalau you tak tahu, you letak ini dulu, maksimum dulu. Maksimum maknanya 0.25 ampere or 250 milliamps. So maknanya kalau current dia full swing jarum ni, maknanya over here is 250 milliamps ataupun 0.25 amps. Okay, so current you nak measure, you have to measure in series. Okay, you letak in series. Put the probe in series. Okay, now you can see this range tak ada respon kan? Okay, you have to go to the lower range. Okay, measure again. Okay, slight response. Okay, try lower. One more lower. Okay, full scale. Okay, you have to go back to previous one. Okay, measure. Okay, now you get the measurement. Okay, the scale here shows 25 milliamps if the needle goes full swing. Maknanya if it goes here, 25 milliamps. So if you look at the 25 milliamp 250 punya scale, ataupun you look at any scale closer to it. So if you here 25 milliamps, 20, 15, 10, 5, and what's that?
2.5 milliamps.
So that's your reading. Okay, the scale here shows the maximum full range. So kalau you measure voltage, let's say this one, meaning when the needle goes to full is a 10 volt. If it's here, full means 2.5 volts. So you have to look at the scale accordingly. Okay, clear.